Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share to you how to customize your iPhone home screen. So first, you need to go to the App Store and then install Widgetsmith, and then there you go, you can edit the widget you like. So you can change the style, the font, the tint color, and the background color, whatever color you like. So in here, you can choose 3 different sizes of the widgets, like small, medium, and large. And then there is a widget here, the large one, where you can customize the text, whether you want to write some quotes or you want to write some reminders. So you can just do it here. But as for me, I did not use the Widgetsmith, but rather I used the color widgets. So I also installed it, and yes, there you go. So you can just choose whatever design you like or whatever color you like. But of course, I chose the color pink. And in here, you can choose different colors and then different fonts. So this is a widget for battery, for the time, the day, and the month and date. And then next, I also install a motivational daily quotes so that there will be a daily quotes displayed on my home screen. So actually, you can also edit the themes, but then I forgot to screen record it. So this is how I declutter the applications that I will not use, or the applications that I want to edit. So you just need to long press an app and then click remove from home screen or move to app library. So it is not really deleted, but you just move it to the app library, which is new in the iOS 14. You can also hide or unhide a home screen. For example, in my case, I have 3, and then I want to hide a 3rd one. So yes, you just need to unclick it. So next in line would be the Canva app. So I also installed it, or I already have this app because it is so useful for me. And then I just chose the Instagram layout, and then I choose a color, and of course it is color pink. So in here you can edit a wallpaper and the application cover, so you can just decide on whatever design you want or you like, and then yes, you can edit it here. So in my case, I just want the original application icon, so I just look for it here. But then first I put a design, and I want a circle one in the middle. So in order to put an icon, you need to look for it in the illustration. So yes, Facebook, and then I just change the color into pink, of course, and then yes, you can search for different icon in here, like YouTube, Spotify, Snapchat, Messenger, and yes. and then you can just decide on whatever color you like. I only made an app cover for all the applications that I want to display on my home screen. So here they are. And I also made my wallpaper in Canva, and I want it to be simple, so I just change the color into pink and write a quote. And in order to change the wallpaper, you just need to go to settings, click wallpaper, and then choose a new wallpaper, and then yes, you can choose the wallpaper that you made, and then set, and then click set home screen. So that's it. So you need to open your shortcut app and then click the plus sign and then add action and then type open and then open up and then choose, and then you can choose the application that you want, like Safari for me. And then I just click the three dots on the upper right corner, and then I will write Safari, add to home screen, and then there you go. So you can already change the icon or the picture. So in this case, I just put the Chrome icon since I did not made for Safari. And then you need to edit the name and then add and then done. So it is already added on the home screen. So these are all the shortcuts that I made. So ta-da! This is the final look of my home screen. So as you know guys, that all of this application in here were just shortcuts. So when you are opening them, you will be redirected first to the shortcut and then to the application. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!